Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the Python coding. In that we are going to use the remove method. So here first we should write this method is list. Python is used in list. So in the list we'll see my underscore list is equals to, open the square bracket, 10 20 30 20 40 separated by commas we should write. Then after that we are making a command statement like my underscore list. In that dot remove, this is the keyword we will use to remove the first occurrence of the element. So suppose if the remove 20, if this is a list which consisting of these elements, so it is going to remove the first occurrence. So here that's why particularly written here 2 20s, it is going to remove only this 20. Okay, then after that you print my list. This is what you should type here, so that what is the output you are going to get? Your output going to get is, except this, you will get this output. Okay, we'll see that 10 30 20 40. Okay, so if you run this, what is the output you are getting? 10 30 20 40. The first 20 was removed. Then what about this second one? So that also we'll see here. You can just look at this. After this, again if I want to remove some more number, again I will use my list remove 10. Now I am going to remove the 10. So now initially I will be having this. Out of that I will also remove this, means only 3 will remaining. So that's what you can observe here. In the second one we will get only 3 elements. So this is how you should use the remove method in case of Python. Similarly you can add many things here. Suppose here instead of this remove, so I will just remove this, I will remove this and will try to add here. Try to add here insert. The insert will add 2 is to 50 and will run. So my list dot insert. So we should insert here. After removing we will see one more is insert. My list same like this, dot insert. So what you should insert? I should insert 5 and in the index number 1. What is the index number 1? So it is 10 20 30 40 20 40 is there. So this 0 index number 1 is 20. So in place of 20 you will get 5. Okay, so the output is, expected output is 10 5 20 like that. So if you run this, so 10 5 20. So in place of this first index, this is 0 index, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Since we have written 1 comma 5, in place of first index 5 inserted. Okay, so similarly we can try one more, that is append. So we can consider it as append. What you should append? You should write some number. I will write 100. If I do like this, append means it is going to add at the last. So run it. Look at here, 100 is appended at the last. Okay, so we have seen remove, we have seen insert, we have seen the append. Okay, so thank you. We'll see in the next video about the next update. Like this video. For the stay tuned to this channel for the latest notification. Click on the bell icon. Thank you.